my god, guys, I didn't vlog any of this, but I'm currently shooting outside because there's a snowstorm and I just wanted the snow in my pictures, but I'm freezing. I'm freezing my ass off. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what's happening. Hello, so today I just shot a few pictures in the snowstorm. I don't know if you guys can see from the situation of the back of my window. There's a really big snowstorm outside, but honestly a snowstorm will not stop me from doing this. I was supposed to have class, but I thought it was online, but it turned out it was not online. And honestly, I was really mentally ready to not go to school. In my head I had a day off, so I just ended up not going to class, and then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna shoot some content. Hey guys, so I was supposed to film before going to my lab, but it took me forever to find parking and I didn't have time to film this little haul for you guys, but I'm gonna do it now. Alright, so I lied multiple times. Now I'm back home and I am officially going to film this little haul for you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys the things I got. So the first thing I got is like this sporty New York Manhattan set, and it's probably like my favorite outfit out of this little haul. It's a matching jacket with like it's like a tracksuit set, and I really like tracksuits. I find that like they're very easy to just like put on and you just like go to school, and it looks very casual and I really like it. I love the fit and it's surprisingly very, very comfortable. The jacket fits me very well. The pants are slightly too long, but I wear a platform, so it kind of compensates the length of it. Okay, then the next thing I got is this little shrug, and you guys know I like shrugs, right? By now I have so many shrugs, it does not make sense. I have to actually start wearing them, and I wanted like a very nice fitted shrug, and they had this, and it almost looks like just like a very cropped cardigan, which I really like. I don't have a shrug that looks like this, and they have it in beige as well, and I like how warm it actually is. I'm planning on wearing this with like cute little spring dresses, and I want to get the beige one as well. So you'll see for one of the outfits I wanted to pair that little cardigan with these khaki pants. Honestly, I'm very picky with my pants, but somehow Garage's pants fits so well in terms of like the waist and the butt area. I don't have that much of a bum, but this fits really well on my waist and my butt. It's slightly a bit long, but that is an easy fix. However, finding pants that fit the waist well is kind of tricky, so I really like this pair of pants, and I think it's like one of their best sellers, or it has a lot of good reviews. Of these rings from Garage, they're in size small, but unfortunately they're too big for my ring size. Like I can maybe wear them on my thumb, but they're so cute. Look at them. 15 rings, just a lot. I'm gonna wear a lot of sneakers or like ballet flats, so I wanted like socks. So I got this pack and it comes in black, gray, and white. I got this necklace. There's like 2 black heart necklaces and it's super cute. So I got myself this essential oil from Candier and it's the Girl Calm the Fuck Down. And just a little reminder, everything is always linked down below. And also if you spend more than $60, it's free shipping in the States and Canada. So you should take advantage of that if you're planning on shopping on Garage. But that's pretty much everything I got. They didn't let me film for good reasons. Actually, they just don't want people to like try to do it at home after watching my videos, so I didn't film myself. But here it is so cute. I really like it.
Let's talk business. This fat bastard is trying to move in on Mauricio's business.
Throw me out now, it's like you never opened your door. Like you let me die right there in front of me.
It's so creepy how you're there. Baby, we had make a play. I am ready for a death. 어젯밤 적어놨어. You're damn whatever you do. Sometimes life is just too much. I know.
FYI guys, if you're wondering how the hell do I have time to put makeup on every morning, I just do. Okay, I don't care if I'm late. I don't care if I have a quiz, which I do today. Makeup is therapy and I'm gonna do it. All right, so this is what I'm wearing this morning. I don't know, I honestly don't know what's going on, but it's like a fleece cami, so I want it to be warm. And then this is calming cream because I have a lot of baby hair and I just want to tame it because I didn't really style my hair. This is like literally my hair when I woke up this morning. I don't want to damage it, so I really want to limit the amount of times I put heat on it. When I used to have like my natural black hair, I would literally curl my hair so often, guys. Okay, this looks cute. Let's go.
Talk business. This fat bastard is trying to move in on Mauricio's business.
Throw me out now, it's like you never opened your door. Like you let me die right there in front of me.
It's so creepy how you're there. Baby, we had make a play. I am ready for a death. 어젯밤 적어놨어. You're damn whatever you do. Sometimes life is just too much. I know.
I'm gonna attempt to take pictures here, but it's like really bright.
Why are you making it harder? 내 내가밖에 안 돼, 내가 fly.
Shut the goddamn door!
Find out who it is. For the mom.
It's my lover.